Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's FACESHIELD's channel, DIY, everything DIY, where we get to create and create and create. So I'm holding these scissors today so I don't get to clap my hands like the previous video. So today we're going to be using these glasses. This is a PVC and your hairband with ankara pieces. So we're going to be making the face shield. Yes, as you all know, we're in a pandemic here. So in case you don't have the money to buy the expensive ones, this PVC is just 15 naira, like 15 naira, and you probably have old glasses in your house or something. So I did this myself, and I'm going to be using my old glasses. I did this myself, guys, so please subscribe. Okay, so you leave So you trim the edges so it is neat and then it's not too big on the face shield. Just make it to be the exact right moment.
My lines are not so perfect, so pardon me. So you apply the gum on the ankara and you put it on the face shield. Make sure you apply it properly. Make it neat. Yeah, I'm putting more because it wasn't enough. So for the second type of face shield, you use your old glasses. So take your old glasses and your PVC. Make sure you put it in the middle. Then you grab a blade, or a blade is preferred, but not a scissors, and you just create a small hole at both edges. Can you see? Just really small. So this part you have to do it really gentle. You have to do it gently so you don't get to spoil your glasses and also cut the PVC. This is the simplest, no gum, nothing. And that's it. So arrange it properly. And there you go.
So I'm done, guys. So this is what we came out with. This is the can you see it? This is the one with the hairband that you get that we use the ankara for. This is the one with the glass. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it was useful. So don't forget to subscribe,